left Christianity, people told me I was walking away from God, but they never stopped to ask what I was really walking away from. I wasn't rejecting faith. I was rejecting fear. I was rejecting control. And I needed to. For my mind, for my body, for my spirit. Because when I was deep in it, deep in religion, I wasn't free. I was anxious, confused, afraid of my own thoughts, my every step, my every action. I was taught that questioning my beliefs, questioning the system I was placed in meant rebellion. That trusting myself was pride. That God loved me, but only if I followed a list of rules made by men. Let's be real. Christianity, the way it was given to most of us, was not rooted in liberation or freedom. It was used as a tool, a system of control passed down through colonization, telling people what to wear, how to feel, who to be, and who to fear. If you're black, if you're a woman, if you're sensitive or spiritual, you were taught to shrink. They called our emotions dangerous, our bodies sinful, our voice rebellion. But none of that was God, nor godly. That was misogyny. That was colonial control. That was fear-based religion. When I left, I was scared because they told me I'd be lost without them, but I wasn't. I became more found than I had ever been. I started learning how to listen again, not just to a preacher, but to the voice within me. I started healing my nervous system. I started releasing shame I thought was spiritual. And I found God everywhere, in nature, in silence, in alignment, in truth. I didn't lose my faith, I deepened it. I stopped outsourcing God and started remembering that the divine lives in me, as Jesus said. And I realized anything that tells you to fear your own soul or even your own God was never holy to begin with. Now my dreams are clear. My energy is protected. I feel unconditional love flowing through me, not because I earned it, but because it was always mine. And I began to remember. I now remember. So if you're questioning what you were taught, that is not disobedience. That is awakening, curiosity, being human. You are not lost. You are remembering. God is still here and you are still sacred. This is for the ones who left and still feel held. Comment your truth. You are not alone, and this space is yours too.